it is still light. And these are gonna be the most delicious things we're gonna eat. It's day 20. It's Monday, June 6th, and it's already afternoon. Sorry for not filming the morning part. We were busy working and uploading files, and we have huge issue because the upload speed is not as good as we thought yesterday. Like outside is really beautiful. You can see. It's really hot. It looks really dreamy.
4 o'clock we get our breakfast. My omelette, my protein's coming here.
And it's only one omelette.
No!
Ah.
No! How many eggs did they buy? Man, I'm hungry.
I'm gonna eat and get our protein.
And that I'll swallow in like 10 seconds.
Just
So this is what I'm talking about. It just switches off so often. This loses all my progress. After eating 4 ketchup bread. Oh, you're sharp.
Making a little bit bigger circle. Just to look at this water. I would like to take a swim in there, but I don't know how safe is the water because. And here's the beautiful chickens over here. 2 types. Hello. You have a beautiful long tail, buddy. Hi, hello. I don't know how much time passed because I didn't see, but yeah, here are the sandwiches. And outside it is still light. And these are gonna be the most delicious things we're gonna eat all this day. Bigger one is yours.
Man.
I'm just freezing. Beetroot. Translates are so good. Good.
It's like something else, I think, actually.
It's 8:37. As you can see, it's pitch dark.
Hello.
Oh, chicken leg. It looks amazing.
Merci.
Bon appétit.
Merci.
Merci.
Cold water.
Oh my god. It's already 1 a.m. Still trying to upload, but it's impossible to do it. We're slowly packing and we are uploading what we can upload.
We're finalizing our episode tomorrow, guys. See you in day 21. That's our 3rd week. And hope we get to see you in Guinea Bissau. Good night.